Hello, you are listening to the Business Communication and Technology Update for January 26th of 2018. This week it's more of a voice thread than it is a video, so I just want to share some things with you and I won't keep you too long. There's a lot of information in this week's newsletter. Please follow the link and register for the integrative learning session. This workshop is going to be very cool. It's going to be relevant for CTE programs and transfer programs and web-based face-to-face. It's going to be important to everybody. So please follow that link. There are limited seats. You have to have that free ticket in order to get in. I wanted to share some thoughts this week about exciting things happening. There's always cool stuff going on, and sometimes they get lost in the mix. So I just wanted to touch base about what some things are that are happening. Our media arts program, it looks like we're getting them set up to move to Canyon County for next fall. That is awesome. They're going to have a really cool sound stage. The facility there is going to be perfect for them for videoing students, and there's a sound booth and all kinds of cool stuff. So for that program to have a designated space is going to be rocking. Another cool thing that's happening is we have an accreditation visit coming for our business programs. So any industry accreditation is such an awesome thing to have for your program, for your discipline. It just validates everything and all the hard work that you guys already put in. So that's really cool. Another thing that we have happening is, for the first time, our Cisco program is going to run a 199 class in the summer. We're trying to get that all worked out, but those CTE IT programs haven't traditionally had 199, so that's going to be an awesome thing for students. And once we open that door, it's going to be cool to see what else we can do next. So awesome work that you guys do on a daily basis, and I just wanted to acknowledge some of it because it is pretty darn exciting. There's several dates listed for things. One of the most urgent ones is intermediate grades that will be due Monday, but also next Friday, February 2nd, we have CWI Day at Capitol High School. This was relatively short notice for us compared to the other things that we plan out for the semester. Please talk to your department chair if you're interested in being one of the people who talks about what is offered in your department from CWI. Every school within CWI is presenting that day, and our time lot is a little bit more than 45 minutes to cover all three of our departments. So I'm hoping that I have somebody from each department to go with me to present that day. Please get in contact with your department chair if you're interested. I'll let you read the rest of the things on there. I wanted to make note on our update about the assessment task team. We meet weekly, so you can read my update there or follow the website if you're interested. I also wanted to talk about the cool things that you all have been doing, not just the cool things that are coming our way and about to happen, but some things that have already happened. Michelle Mahoney putting stuff on CWI's pages is really awesome about your Com 101 class. And Roya Camp sent me some awesome information about how we're publishing students' works, or more appropriately, how we are helping students get published while they're in our program. So you are all doing some great things, and Roya, since you were the first one to send me some type of response for the update, I owe you a cup of coffee or a hot cocoa. So have a great week. Thank you all for listening, and I'll see you on campus.